how you can make your first $350 to $500 per day with Clickbank affiliate marketing in 2025. Now in this short step-by-step video, I'm going to reveal to you exactly how you can do it, even though you are a beginner. You never tried affiliate marketing before, or maybe you have tried and not got any results. So as you can see over here in Clickbank, right? Those are the results for March, and this is for the April over here, daily sales, right? But what is the most important thing when it comes to Clickbank affiliate marketing is this. Let me go straight into it over here. Okay, so most gurus on Clickbank, when you buy some courses online, right, they're telling you build pre-sale page, landing page, quiz funnel. But what they don't tell you is what is the deep layers of psychology behind marketing. Okay, because let's be honest, with affiliate marketing, what we are doing, we are promoting other people's products online. And for that to happen, our audience has to be in the problem state. Okay, and in order for them to be in order state, you have to use the right copy in your pre-sale pages. You have to have the right structure of ads, which is really important when it comes to low emotional states and high emotional states audiences. When it comes to male audience and female audience, core emotions of the markets are different. No one is talking about that on YouTube. Maybe in $40,000 masterminds you're gonna hear about that, but no one is telling you for free here right now that I'm telling you, giving you this secret for free. Okay? So the problem with most funnels is that they don't create buying intent. This is one of the secrets. It's not all. It's one of the things. You need buyer's intent, right? For example, you have some weird, ugly image that is really strange. Of course, it's going to get a lot of clicks. Why? Because it's curiosity based. People are curious to know what's on the other page. What is this all about? But are they going to swipe their credit card? No, probably not. Why? Because there is no buyer's intent. So attention without intention, it's zero sales. But attention plus intent, buying intent, it sells automatically. Easy as that. So many funnels, right? They teach you to target those people who are ready to buy. But let's be honest. Let me show you over here. Let's say we have 1 million people in the market today. 1 million people for manifestation niche on Clickbank. Okay? Self-help. Low attraction. Let's say 1 million people are targeted on Facebook ads or Google ads or TikTok or whatever. 1 to 3% of those 1 million people are ready to buy now. So I mean 10 to 30,000 people are ready right now as you are easy to buy. The rest of 97%, 900,000 people are not ready to buy. Why? Because they are not in the problem state. They're not sellable. And people ignore that, and then people like you, if you're watching this video, maybe you buy a course and you compete with everyone else who's bought the same course. Copy and paste templates. And then your ad account gets shut down. And you're wondering, why the heck I can't get any sales? And it's not your fault. It's not your fault. Why? Because I know how it feels when you buy a course and you do same copy and paste the same thing, expect the same damn results, and you get nothing in return. Okay? So everyone is competing for those 30,000 people, but the true masters of marketing, super affiliates, they know that they can go out without competition and make a lot of money, thousands of dollars per day, because they know the secret, which is people only buy when they're in a problem state and then move them into the solution state. Okay? So as you can see over here, when I'm building quiz funnels, you know what is quiz funnels, right? Quiz. You have some questions. The secret here, again, is that most people don't tell you the secret, which is you need functional questions. Because funnel is nothing else than a decision-making process online, right? When someone see a funnel, when they see a landing page on ClickFunnels or Go High Level, whatever you're using, WordPress, when they see your page, they have to go through 3 to 4 to 5 or even 7 different decision-making funnels, processes in their mind shift, perspective, okay? It's all about emotional states. And in some cases, yes, you can use storytelling in ads. In other cases, storytelling is killing your sales. So you have to have someone who can help you one-on-one, hand-holding you along the way, so you know exactly that you're not following some outdated method that used to work 2 years ago, and now you are doing it again because some guru sold you the course, right? It's all mostly outdated. It used to work a few months ago. It used to work last year, but now in 2025, it doesn't work anymore. And that's why you're struggling to get sales as a newbie affiliate. Okay? So this is very important, right? Functional questions with quiz funnels. Why? Because most funnels identify the customer. What we do is we create a customer. We create desire. Yeah, it's possible to create desire if you know what you're doing. If you know deeper layer of this affiliate marketing game. Always possible, always doable. And look, let me show you why some people are afraid to spend money on ads. Why? Again, it's not your fault. Because this is one of the dating products, female dating products on Clickbank. They are paying, let's say around, for the sake of the math, let's say $300 US. Some products can give you even $1,000 per sale on Clickbank. Yeah, 1,000 USD per sale on Clickbank. It's possible. But let me show you why some people are afraid to spend on ads. Because they think, okay, if I'm spending $30 or $50 today, I'm losing money. Yeah, you can lose money if you're doing it wrong. But if you know that you're promoting proven offer that's high quality, with let's say 50 or 70% upsell take rate, you can see how many upsells and downsells are here on the screen, right? It means if I spend $50 US today, and only one customer buy the whole funnel, the entire funnel, you make $216 US back in one day. You see the math. This is the economics, the hidden economics behind affiliate marketing that no one else is sharing with you. Right? So for example, let's do the math, simple math, easy. Let's say you're spending $30 US per day and you get only 10 visitors, 10 clicks. And with my system, you're getting around minimum 10% conversion rate with low ticket offers. So you have one buyer per day who will buy for $300 US all the upsells. Full funnel, entire funnel. It means you spend $30 US and from one sale you make $300 US back. Now you see how this can work out, right? And how you can scale this and break even. You see? Let's say in 10 days you spend $300 US and you get in total buyers in 10 days 10% is 10 buyers. You made $3,000 US, my friend, in 10 days. $3,000 US. And you spent $300. Yes, it's possible. With one person only buying the entire funnel. Okay? But you have to know. Are you targeting low emotional states? High emotional states? Right? If you're targeting the wrong audience with the wrong message to the market match, there is not, if you don't have the right message to the market match with your audience, it doesn't matter what you're promoting. You can promoting the best product in the world, but if you're in the wrong market, you will not win with the best product. Sometimes with a shitty product, you're gonna win because you are in the right market, right? And that's the truth. In 2025, you wanna take affiliate marketing really seriously with Clickbank. Okay? You need only 20 to 30 minutes per day. If you're a beginner, you don't have to show your face. You don't have to do it on your own. It's all done for you and done together with you if you're really serious, right? So you can see over here, right, how this works and the results that you can get if you take affiliate marketing really seriously. Now, if you watch this video, you can reach out to me later on my Instagram, my WhatsApp, my Facebook Messenger. I have free Facebook group as well, but only if you're serious. If you really want to get the results and have this kind of life, like if that is your goal, right? You can reach out to me. My WhatsApp number is below in the description. My Instagram, my Facebook Messenger. You can reach out, Facebook group. Let me know. If you have any questions, you can ask me, but only if you're serious. If you're not making excuses, and if you really want to invest in yourself to start getting really great results in 2025.